There's a lot of things that you have to do, but your day really starts the day before. And you have to set your priorities of, are you listing a house? Are you showing houses? You have to figure out what houses you're going to show. Or if you're listing, you need to understand that there may be problems with the house that need to be fixed before it goes on the market. I like to come to the office to work. I think there is a synergy that is created when you have several realtors in a room or in the office. And if you're not in the office, you're not hearing what's coming on the market. And the market's tight. There are not a lot of houses on the market. You have to understand the psychology of a person. Once you work with them for a while, then you figure out where you can fudge on what they say they really want versus what they're really going to get. I think the easiest thing to do with somebody that's never been to Macon is just put them in your car, show them downtown, show them the progress that downtown has made. There are a lot of lofts being developed. People are living downtown. There's action. It's great. And then take them to the neighborhoods and ask them where they're working and where they think their children might be going to school. The first thing you need to do if you're going to purchase a house is understand you need to have a lender in your back pocket and have talked to that lender. Then you go find the house you want. Once you find the house you want, then we as realtors will pull up comparable properties and we make an offer based on information from past sales. Then you get an inspection. Then the lender is ready to order the appraisal. And that's really your last step.